we're gonna draw a crab. Let's draw a big round oval shape. This is the crab's body. Now we're gonna draw two big circles. These are two googly eyes for the crab. Let's add two pinching claws. These are like the crab's hands, and it uses its claws to dig for food.
Hi friends! Stick around after we color our crab to count the crabs by the sea together with me, Bo Bunny.
Let's finish drawing the legs and give our crab a smiling face. Now let's outline with a thick black marker.
Let's color!
Wakey, wakey! This is my favorite part. We get to color the crab. I'm using the color red, or in Italian we say rosso, but you can use any color you like. Red is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Ooh, now I'm going to color in the pincher claw. Be careful, don't go outside the borderline. Now let's do the other side. You're doing a great job. Well done.
Can you flap your arms and fly? Can you reach for the big
Now let's count the legs. 1, uno, 2, due, 3, tre, 4, quattro, 5, cinque, 6, sei. Now let's start to color in the body of the crab. Keep going, you're doing a great job. This is awesome. Have you ever seen a crab? I have. I've seen a crab on the beach. Now, we've finished.
Let's learn! Let's count the crabs together. 1, uno. 2, due. And 3, tre. Well, friends, that's all for now. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing tutorials for kids. See you in the next video. Bye!